PersoniWay AI-powered ticketing and dispatching for HVAC teams. Built for technicians, for engineers, for HVAC, connected, informed, supported. Real-time communication where it matters most. Choose the object. Create tickets with just a tap. Ask the AI assistant for equipment specs, historical issues, or connection diagrams instantly. Solve the problem faster. Resolve issues using an embedded call center. Call an expert engineer right inside the chat. Live support right when you need it. Engineers manage and track every field ticket directly, in real time, with full access to tickets, technical drawings, performance analytics. Getting started takes just minutes. Register your company, add object details, upload your drawings, invite your technical team, and start collaborating instantly. You're ready to go. Create tickets, join support calls, get advanced analytics across all systems and sites. It's all PersoniWay.